In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to layer elements in Canva. If you've ever added text, shapes, photos, or graphics to a Canva design and wanted one item to sit in front of another or behind it, layering is the tool you need. It's a simple feature, but it makes a big difference when you're trying to create a cleaner layout or a more polished design. To get started, open your design in Canva. Make sure you're inside the project where you want to adjust the order of your elements. Once your design is open, click on the element you want to move. This could be an image, a shape, a text box, or any other object on your canvas. Selecting the correct element first is important because Canva will only let you change the layer order of the item you currently have active. Next, look at the top toolbar and find the position option. Click on it to open the positioning controls. This is where Canva gives you tools for arranging elements on your page, including how they are layered. After that, select Layers from the panel on the left side. This view helps you see the elements in your design as a list, which is especially useful if several objects are overlapping and hard to click directly on the canvas. In the Layers panel, you can clearly identify which items are in front and which ones are behind. Now, to change the stacking order, simply drag an element up or down in the layer list. Moving it higher in the list usually brings it closer to the front, while moving it lower sends it further back. This gives you precise control, which is helpful when you're working with multiple overlapping items. There's also another quick way to do this. You can right-click either the layer in the left panel or the element directly on the canvas. Then find Layer in the menu and choose the option you need. Bring to front, bring forward, send backward, or send to back. Bring to front moves the item above everything else. Bring forward moves it up one step. Send backward moves it down one step, and send to back places it behind all other elements. This method is great when you want to make fast adjustments without dragging layers manually. If you're designing something detailed, both options can be useful depending on how much control you need. And that's it. That's how to layer elements in Canva so you can organize your design exactly the way you want.